iOS 13 launched on iPhone 6. Do not write off the 6 from the accounts, updated. What a twist! The enthusiast with the nickname NightigerFTW announced the successful launch of the first beta version of iOS 13 on iPhone 6. According to him, in the future he will release a modified iOS 13 firmware for iPhone 6 for all users. Updated, NightigerFTW admitted that he did not install iOS 13 on iPhone 6. It was a hoax for his friends who went too far. The user worked on the modification of the IPSW-file firmware iOS 13 Beta 1 for iPhone 6 for 6 days. He managed to find a serious bug in the firmware, through which the installation of iOS 13 on an unsupported device became possible. The user did not disclose any details about the found installation method. As evidence, NightigerFTW has published photographs showing the iPhone 6 running iOS 13. NightigerFTW promised to release a special version of the iOS 13 firmware for the iPhone in the near future. Right now he is not sure when he should share the firmware with the public. He fears that Apple will quickly fix the bug and it will not be available after the release of the final version of iOS 13. The enthusiast found bug does not work for iPhone 5s. Testing showed that installing iOS 13 on iPhone 5s using Apple's flaw does not work. The bug works exclusively for iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus. In the Apple community, the messages NightigerFTW met ambiguously. Some users reacted to the statement about the successful installation of iOS 13 on the iPhone 6 with skepticism. The well-known hacker Pwn20WMD, who performed the jailbreak of iOS 11 and iOS 12, also expressed disbelief to the words of an unknown user. In this case, the developer noted that he would like to be wrong. We will follow the messages from NightigerFTW. If a way to install iOS 13 on iPhone 6 appears, we will immediately notify our readers about it.